Good morning, everyone. It's me, Chef K. So I'm here to take you tour of my project, which is Facebook. So I just cloned Facebook. So I'm going to share that with you in a minute. Let's go there. So as I was saying, this is my Facebook project, and let's dive into VS Code. Here is my code. This is the login page. As you can see, so I've wrote the code for the login page. Uh, this is all the code. And for the CSS, you have the CSS here. So I've also written the CSS around this region. You get that? So now let's open it with Live Server. So let me right click and let me open it with Live Server. Boom. This is how the Facebook login and sign up page look like. So from here, if you click on create accounts, this is going to pop up. So do you see that? So I can easily put my information and create new account, then select the date of birth and select the year and choose either you are male or you are female, then click on sign up. Or maybe you want to log in or you want to create a page, you can click on cancel. This is going to cancel. Or if you want to create a page for your brand, you can click here, click on page, and this is going to bring you back to this place here. You see that? So you can sign up for page and that. I can click on get started. You see that? So let me take you back. Maybe you want to log in and you forget your password. You can click here, forgetting password, and this is going to bring you to this page and ask you to put your email. Then this is going to set back information to your mail so I can reset your password. Though all of that have not been implemented. Are you with me? So this is just the front end, right? So let me take you back. Now, let me open the other page for you. This one we call it recent login, whereby after you have logged in, you log out. So Facebook is going to save your data so that you won't be able, so that you won't bother to type password on all of that before you log in. So and this is going to appear on this list. Can you see that? So from here, you can just click on the name and it's going to log you in, but that has not been implemented. So if you want to remove all of this, you can click on this. So this is going to remove this that. If you want to add account, you can click here to bring this, then you sign in. So automatically you're going to add your profile to this place that we have here. You can close that. So every other thing you can also do, forget password, you can also do create new accounts page. So now the one that is not done yet is this Facebook login and Facebook page news. So this is where all the things happen. So let me open this with live server also, though I'm still cooking this, right? So I've not it's not done yet. So I just want to give you tips of it to see what I've done and what I've achieved so far with Facebook. You can see, so I have the search bar, then I have the home, the video, marketplace, groups, game. We have menus, messengers, notification, pro account, which is profile. And from here, you can see we have different field, we have friends, professional dashboard, and all of that. Also, we have your page that you created on Facebook. You can also do editing. And from the other side, you can see Facebook they do sponsor, so they sponsor for ad. This is just a ad that to be showing. I can see you can switch page. Maybe you want to switch to your profile or want to switch to page. You can use this. You want to create an account. So here is a friend request. So this is where I stop. So I'm still going to continue from here. So this is one of my friends that sent me a friend request on Facebook, which I've not confirmed. So I want to use that opportunity to create this page before I confirm his friend request, which is my classmate, Chiemena Amadegu. So he's my friend in school then. And here is where all the news feed will be, whereby you have your stories, you have your news feed, and all of that is going to be on this part here. So this is what I've done so far. I believe so. I'm still going to do more. I'm still going to do more. So this is just HTML CSS, and JavaScript that I've implemented on this place. So I'm still going to show you. Bye.